this one will cure in 30 seconds. Hi, Onisha, how are you? Thin coat. Let's put it out here. Just thin coat. Somehow it's getting a little hair here. I'll get it off. And pop in the lamp for about 30 seconds. I think I get a little fur in there because I think my sleeve touching it earlier. Great. We're gonna do a different flowers. Yesterday we did the others design. Today we did this one. Yesterday is so stunning. Yesterday designs, I really like it. Which is this. Look, it looks like an antique look. So if you missed this live video, you can watch it over again on Facebook or YouTube. 30 seconds. Oh, I'm so excited. This one is so adorable. This one might blending it though. I'm trying to find the right angle for that. I think I got it. But I really like this flowers though. Should I do this one? It looks light, but I really like that. I'm gonna use it. I don't care. If you care, you get a different spot. Because I really like that. It's so cute. So I'm decided to get this whole flowers on this nails. All the nails that I did, I did painted 2 coat of the gel colors, kind of a light blush pink. Oh my goodness, I'm so in love with this. So adorable. Great. I'm gonna put some crystal on it. You can see that how completely this whole piece is chamfer. Completely. Super easy. And this chamfer foil is the bomb. All right, so I'm gonna put some crystal on, but just show you, like yesterday we did, everybody loves it. The elastic strip. So if you want to put it, let me see if I can do, maybe I should do it right in the, should I do it right in the middle? You can make it a frame like yesterday. Maybe today I can do is right in the middle. You think right in the middle it looks good too? Or right on the bottom. Let's see. Give it a try, and if you don't like it, then don't try it the way I'm doing it, okay? Just give it a try. If you don't like it, then don't do it. But you like it, then like this. I don't know. I feel if I put it here, it looks like a nail got chopped off. But it's not really, because I love this strip because it's really it's so elastic, so flexible. You can cut it and just rip it off. You don't like it, then don't try like me, because I think I just trying to make it, see how it turned out. It looks not bad at all. I didn't want to do on the top. At first I want to do a frame like yesterday, but then it's gonna become redundant. We can do something else different, you know. Great. And I'm gonna do some crystal on this one. Not bad at all. It looks crooked, do you think? I don't think so. All right, so let's using condensed glue gels. Is this condensed glue gel? Is this one? Can you change? I think the cap is leaking. You know, swap the cap for me. Right there, the next cap. I'm gonna just do a little bit of crystal, but I'm gonna do whole nails because I don't know where I'm gonna put my crystal between the roses. So one really thin layer of it. If you are at the salon, then the client's not sure, or you are not sure if you want too much or not, just really blend a whole layer of it. It's like a thin layer. Then you can apply crystal everywhere without worry about, oh, you didn't put the condensed glue gels on. So it kind of like already. I usually do that all the time with the clients. No white top coat on the top. So then by the time you finish your nails, it's completely done. You don't have to worry about trying to put the top coat on the top of the crystal, because you try not to, and actually you shouldn't do it because then they will destroy your shines and the cut of your crystals. So I'm gonna floating the no wipe top coat on the top of the condensed glue gel, which is I haven't cured condensed glue gel yet. And then I can put some crystal on it. Maybe just a little bit of yellow. You don't need a whole lot. Hope everyone have a great Friday. I know, so I'm gonna do some of them. I'll do some gold, and then you can do any colors. You can do AB, you can do pink, you can do yellow, you can do green. You are in charge of it. You are an artist. You can do however you would like. I'm sharing with you the concept to combine together, so then they don't look. Hold on, this is not right. This is silver. You know, be honest, I like don't even want any crystal on it. But I already put it on. But don't try it like me at home. Well, you might like it. I don't know. I just really like the flowers. I didn't want to mess it up because the flowers look so perfect in that spot. But I could be wrong because some of you like it. The crystal, I have it on there. So it's so much fun. I can't wait to show you the next one as well. Let's see. Great. If you like it like that, then we're ready to go. Just pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. And then we're using precision glue if it needed. Should I put it in the middle? Hi, Jocelyn. Great. So I'm popping the lamp for about 60 seconds. Wipe on the side. Great. Just a look for the nails before that.